Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to solo Mugen train. First, choose a character with strong offensive capabilities and good crowd control. Next, equip your most powerful gear, focusing on increasing your attack power and ensuring you have ample health regeneration. It is crucial to understand the boss's unique mechanics and all enemy attack patterns. Finally, remember to bring plenty of healing items and beneficial buffs to help you endure the entire solo challenge. As you begin, focus on quickly eliminating weaker enemies to prevent being overwhelmed by their numbers. Use your area of effect attacks to efficiently clear out groups of foes, saving valuable time and resources. Always maintain a safe distance from stronger adversaries while continuously dealing damage. Remember to conserve your most powerful ultimate abilities for the more challenging and critical segments ahead. When facing the main boss, learn to dodge their predictable attacks and counterattack during their brief recovery frames. Look for opportunities to break the boss's guard or stagger them, creating crucial openings for significant damage. Effectively manage your stamina or resource bar to ensure sustained offense and defense. Time your ultimate ability activation precisely when the boss is most vulnerable for maximum impact. For advanced solo techniques, practice parrying or perfectly dodging specific enemy attacks to gain bonus damage opportunities. Learn to chain your abilities together seamlessly for optimal damage per second output. Always identify any environmental hazards or advantages that you can use against your foes. Most importantly, stay calm and be ready to adapt your strategy if the fight does not unfold as initially planned.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.